Hey guys, a very warm welcome to this video. This is Garmadan, your host and your friend with ZeroTouch. And today in this particular video, we're going to talk about the next thing, which is how do we go ahead and connect our payment gateway, which is Stripe. I'm going to just go to my, settings. All you have to do is you have to go to settings and you have to go to payment gateways. Okay, so I already have one of them connected. So I'm going to disable this. I don't think so I can delete it, but I have disabled this gateway. And what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect our Stripe account right here, right now. To do this, what we need to do is we need to go to our, our payment gateway settings, which is I'm logged into my account. And then what you have to do is you have to go into developers, right? So in developers, there is something called as API version, and it says update available. All this is not needed. What we need is something called as API keys. So under developers, there's something called as API keys. I'll just get to it in a moment. In the meanwhile, go ahead and you click on add new gateway here and you say Stripe. In Stripe, it will ask you to get a client ID and a client secret ID. These are the only two things which are primarily, needed. And you go into your API keys. And then you can see I have got my publishable key. So basically this is my publishable key. And then there is a secret key which we need, right? So these are both of the things which we actually need in order to actually connect. And then, you have client ID and you have client secret. So the secret key is the secret, client secret, and client ID is the general ID. So I've just gone ahead and pasted the general ID. So make sure you're actually going ahead and copy pasting it in the right manner, so that you're not copy pasting any spaces whatsoever. And now I'm going to go ahead and reveal my live key token. So I'll cut this part, of course, for security reasons, right? So once you've gone ahead and actually added the key, what you can do is you can just say add gateway and then our Stripe gateway right here, Stripe account 2, which it says it gets connected. Okay, so that's all is to be needed to actually connect your Stripe with your ZeroTouch account. And once you're done, how do you set up on the client side, front end store? You go to catalogs. Okay, so in the catalogs, you have to go ahead and say edit catalog. Because anything which you do has to be you have to go ahead in the catalog level and then update it with regard to doing any form of settings for that particular catalog. Once you're here, you can go ahead and you can click on this and say, okay, you now need this Stripe account 2. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. Earlier it was 1. If you just go ahead and you select Stripe account 2, okay, the one which I've just connected, and then you say, go ahead and say, save the catalog. Now, once you actually go ahead and click on this catalog, this is one of the catalogs which I have with me. So I'm going to open that. And we're going to see at the backend side if the catalog has been integrated or not. So we go and add this. We go into our things and we go to continue to pay. And you can see right here, credit card powered by Stripe. So that means now our Stripe account has been connected and we should be able to pursue with our regular orders using Stripe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in another one.